This is a multimedia weather briefing presented by the National Weather Service in Lincoln, Illinois. There will be a severe weather and heavy rain threat today and especially on Thursday. The image in the upper right-hand corner shows that the greatest threat for severe storms will be generally along and west of Interstate 55 tonight, with strong storms in eastern Illinois. Heavy rainfall is also anticipated. On Thursday, the greatest threat for severe weather is expected along and east of Interstate 55. There are flood watches in effect north of I-70 for much of Illinois, with 2.5 to up to 4 inches of rainfall expected, particularly west of the Illinois River Basin. In southeast and southern Illinois, 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain is anticipated. Here's the outlook for today through tonight from the Storm Prediction Center, indicating a slight risk of severe storms across most of central and southeast Illinois. The outlook for tornadoes is greatest in the southern plains, although there is the possibility of an isolated tornado in central and west central Illinois this evening and tonight. There is also a threat of damaging wind, primarily again from Missouri down into the southern plains, but we do have a possibility of some high winds this evening and tonight, as well as hail across central and eastern Illinois. The bigger threat for severe storms is expected Thursday as a cold front and areas of low pressure moving along it approach the Mississippi River. This image shows the front getting close to the Mississippi River and down into southwest Missouri by 7 o'clock Thursday morning, and thunderstorms are expected to be active in west central and central Illinois at that time. As the front moves across the area, the storms are expected to get much stronger in central and eastern Illinois, particularly from Thursday late morning through the afternoon into early evening. The Storm Prediction Center has a moderate risk of severe storms, generally along and east of Interstate 55, with a slight risk during the morning west of that area. This is the probability of severe weather by the Storm Prediction Center. The area that is the black hatched area, that denotes the area where there's a potential for significant wind damage and tornado potential on Thursday. Areas west of I-55 can expect that during the morning hours on Thursday into very early in the afternoon. The purple area east of I-55 indicates the most likely area to experience widespread severe storms on Thursday, particularly a threat for widespread wind damage and several tornadoes. Some of the impacts that are possible with these severe storms in central and eastern Illinois Thursday include widespread wind damage to structures, trees, and power poles and power lines, and also the potential for tornado damage. Anyone planning outdoor activities really needs to watch the weather very closely during the day on Thursday. Over the next couple of days, rainfall is also going to be an issue for the area with the flash flood watches in effect. This is indicating how much rainfall we're expecting, with around 1.5 inches to 2 inches in southeast Illinois and 2 to up to 4 inches in central and portions of northern and northwest Illinois. This could result in areas of flooding, particularly flooding of roads and basements, and significant rises on area rivers and streams. For the latest weather information, please visit our webpage for frequent updates to this weather briefing, or stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radios for the latest information.